Hello, my name is Helen and a very warm welcome to my channel. The town of Newborough had a Scotland's Garden Scheme open day. I managed to visit a few of these very different gardens and the owners were very kind and allowed me to film their gardens to share here on my channel. All of them will be linked on a playlist up here so that you can view them all. All the gardens are very different and have unique features: plants, vegetables, fruits and layouts. The beautiful ever-changing River Tay can be seen from many of them. Let's take a look at these uplifting and beautiful gardens. I would be grateful if you would like, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications of my next video. It really makes a difference. Thank you so much. Claire inherited this small garden 6 years ago. It's divided into 3 raised areas. Roses are a favourite. This charming Rosa New Dawn looks stunning with its delicate pink petals. This character is Tuesday Pig, sitting on a wall next to a steep bank. The planting has been carefully designed to ensure there is always colour and interest year-round, including an abundance of detail. These tiny viola faces look so cute peeping out from behind this rock. A winding stepped path meanders up to a flat gravelled area with raised beds. Even though there are lots of plants, it is low maintenance. By planting things which don't need a lot of attention, seed themselves to fill the gaps, and just cutting down or pruning and tidying once a year. No bare soil here, the plants are definitely the stars. Loving plants even as a child, Claire's inspiration has come from family members, books and visiting other gardens. In later life, winning a Best Garden competition fueled a career with the Royal Horticultural Society. The tiny parterre garden is in the shape of a Scottish flag. It's only 5 years old but has grown really quickly and made a nice shaped hedge. In the centre there is an old chimney pot with a bowl on top, which holds some succulents and summer rock plants. Great use has been made out of a shed and dog kennel by redesigning it into an open-sided summer house with outside bar. There is a vine planted inside the greenhouse with its roots in the ground, which is quite new but this year has bunches of grapes. The greenhouse is used to overwinter plants and in the spring for germinating. platform was a new addition this year, and it is a really good place from which to look down on the garden and see it from a different perspective. It was built so that the River Tay could be seen from the garden. The river is a big part of Newborough and so beautiful. It's about 2 miles wide and tidal. Thank you, Claire, for sharing your horticultural journey and your superb garden.